River Oaks is a large neighborhood in North Central Oakville, north of College Park. It's a newer neighborhood, developed in the 1990s and early 2000s with some ongoing development. Housing is mostly single detached homes with few townhouses, low-rise apartments, and semis. Running along Navagava Road, 16 Mile Creek forms the west boundary of this neighborhood. Glen Abbey Golf Course, one of Canada's most famous, is situated on the south border near Upper Middle Road. Dundas Street West is the north border near the Oak Park Shopping Centre. Trafalgar Road is the east border, where you will find Sheridan College and the iconic St. Joseph's Ukrainian Catholic Church. With 2 public schools, 3 Catholic schools, and 1 private school in this neighborhood, your kids can get a great education. This neighborhood is a park haven with 16 parks and community recreational facilities within its boundaries. It has many shops, services, and amenities to make your daily errands easy. This is very much a family-oriented neighborhood with its own community center, neighborhood schools, shopping plazas, and many parks with interconnecting trails. River Oaks is in a great location. It has many amenities nearby that make it a very convenient place to live. Highway 403 is only a 7-minute drive that connects you to the QEW highway. The Oakville GO Station, the local train service, is only a 10-minute drive. In terms of shopping, we have the Oakville Place Mall, the Upper Oakville Shopping Center, and the Oak Park Shopping Center nearby. For entertainment, we have Winston Park, which is only an 11-minute drive and has cinemas, restaurants, bars, and other fun activities. In terms of bus service, you have route number 1 on Trafalgar, route number 5 on Dundas, and route number 6 on Upper Middle that run along the main roads on the boundaries. And you have route number 19 River Oaks that runs through the neighborhood, and it takes you to Oakville GO, Oakville Place Mall, and Oak Park Shopping Center. And it's an acceptable 14-minute drive to downtown Oakville and the waterfront. You won't run out of things to do here in River Oaks. This community is loaded. River Oaks Community Center is conveniently located in the middle of the neighborhood. This multi-purpose facility includes a fitness center, an indoor ice rink, 2 squash courts, 2 racquetball courts, a running track, and community meeting rooms. This community center offers numerous programs for adults and children. There are 12 parks in River Oaks, with Millbank Park and River Oaks Park having the most amount of facilities to enjoy. River Oaks is literally littered with trails, with the most famous one being Lions Valley Park. 2 other big trails that run through River Oaks are Nepegon Trail and Munns Creek. Some amazing local places to eat are Cheeseatar, traditional Levantine flatbreads stuffed with cheese and meat. Sage One, a Middle Eastern bakery serving flatbreads, sandwiches, and desserts. Aveiro Bakery, an authentic Portuguese bakery. River Oaks is mostly made up of 2-story detached homes with double garage and a brick exterior that are 16 to 30 years old and 2,500 to 3,500 square foot and above grade living space. There are pockets of freehold and condo townhouses that are a mix of older and recent developments. And there are a few low-rise apartments in the center of this neighborhood. In terms of home prices, the median sale price for detached homes in River Oaks is $1.787 million as of mid-2022. Not that different from the overall median home sale price of Oakville at $1.775 million. So when it comes to Oakville homes, River Oaks has medium affordability. I am a local real estate agent in Oakville and I study these communities in detail. So if you're interested in learning more about River Oaks and want to weigh your options versus the other Oakville neighborhoods, schedule a quick chat with me using the Calendly link in the description below. So when it comes to schooling, River Oaks has lots of options for everybody and they're all nearby. For public schools, we have Post Corners Public School and River Oaks Public School. While for Catholic, we have St. Andrew Catholic Elementary School and Our Lady of Peace Catholic Elementary School. For high schools, the one in River Oaks is Holy Trinity Catholic Secondary School. If you're looking for public schools, there are 3 right outside this neighborhood. Erica Ridge High School to the northeast, E.S. Gayton Jarvis, and White Oaks High School in the neighborhood of College Park. Double check with the school board's website to see what schools your kids are eligible for given your address and whether a cross-boundary application is needed. Rotherglen Elementary is a private school located to the south of River Oaks. For those interested in Montessori schooling, Trafalgar Ridge Peace of Mind, and Coins Tree are 3 Montessori schools nearby.
If you want to watch a video just like this for the other Oakville neighborhood, check out my playlist right here. Thanks for watching. I'm Raj Phull, your local guide in Oakville.